To draw and color an eggplant, start by sketching a rounded oblong shape for the main body. Add a stem and leaves at the top. Color the eggplant a dark purple or aubergine color with some shading for highlights and depth. The stem can be a darker shade of brown and the leaves a vibrant green. This video shows how to draw a simple eggplant step by step. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Sketch the body. Draw a slightly elongated oval shape to represent the eggplant's body. 2. Add the stem. At the top of the oval, draw a short, curved rectangle or cylinder to represent the stem. 3. Draw the leaves. Add a few leaves extending from the stem. These can be simple teardrop shapes or more detailed, with curves and veins. 4. Refine the shape. Adjust the lines to make the eggplant look more realistic, adding a slight bulge on the sides and a curve at the bottom. 5. Coloring. Use a dark purple or aubergine color for the main body of the eggplant. Add shading to create depth and highlights. The stem can be a darker shade of brown or even a hint of green. 6. Color the leaves. Color the leaves a vibrant green, adding some shading to make